heading towards Pogila waterfalls. जितना भी लैंडस्केप है तेलंगाना में मस्त है लैंडस्केप. तेलंगाना छोड़ के जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. बाबा 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 व्हाट अ ब्यूटी. What a track, man. Super ఉంది కదా ట్రాక్. So just now we reached Pogila waterfalls. We are still in search of the waterfalls. This is completely a muddy trail. We need to go in search of the waterfalls. Stay tuned. So we need to go through this track. I was told that the waterfalls are pretty near. Let us see how far it is. Aa jao Dillu. रहने दे ऐसे रहने दे. निकाल दे सबको निकाल दे. YouTube में कैसे भी अपलोड करने वाला ही छू मैं. भाईगन कुछ क्या होता कुछ भी नहीं होता. So I was guided by her to follow this trail, and probably the waters are behind that tree. ఇట్లా సక్క పోవడమేనా అమ్మా? ఉన్నాయా నీళ్ళు? నీళ్ళు ఉన్నాయా? ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా పోయి స్తంభం దగ్గర అంటావా? ఓకే అమ్మా థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో దేర్ యూ సీ I was told that the waterfalls are right there, so we'll see where exactly they are. As you can see, people started using pipelines to water their farms, but this is not all. There is still more. Do you want to see? And yes, this is Pogila waterfalls. You can see how crazy deep this is. This is crazy deep. I'm right at the edge. Crazy deep it is. You can see the small stream there. I will zoom it up for you. Okay, so that is the small stream, and this is a little larger. This is a little larger stream. It goes all the way down, all the way down. And there it is. Pogila waterfalls it is. Recording, huh? So this is Pogila waterfalls.
Jupiter.
This is Pogila waterfalls. Don't think that Pogila is only this much. You need to see all the way here, all the way here, all the way there. So this is Pogila waterfalls. अरे मेरे को वीडियो देख, वीडियो कर. जोर से पकड़ भाई, भाई जोर से भाई. प्रवीण नहीं प्रो तमाशे एक प्रवीण ना प्लीज. बसे 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 बसे. जोर से पकड़ प्रवीण ना. आड़ा भयंతో రాలేడు. Yeah, Pogila waterfalls. Oh, antega. So I am trying to risk to this point So let us see if I will be able to make it or not.
అయ్యో శశాంక్ ఇట్లా ఈజీగా ఉంది
Comfortable.
అక్కడ ఈజీగా ఉంది అక్కడ వరకు.
So this is Pogilla Waterfalls. Pogilla Waterfalls is in Amrabad Tiger Reserve, Nalgonda district. This is one hell of a place to visit. So once you plan for Vizag Colony, ensure that you are making a visit to Pogilla Waterfalls also, which is about 31 kilometers from Vizag Colony. So this mountain is very, very slippery, very dangerous, crude. Every step of yours should be very, very careful. One slip and you're gone. Be careful, guys. So this is, I'll try to show you different angles of Pogilla Waterfalls. Till can I have the phone? So you can see, this is another angle of Pogilla Waterfalls. You can see a small stream which is going all the way down. I will try to sleep on the rock and try to give you the best view. Okay. So I'm right on the edge of Pogilla Waterfalls. So you can see right below my feet is Pogilla Waterfalls. So this is all valley. One wrong step and you just fall flat on your face and you're gone. This is kind of thrilling and spine chilling, both. पूरा दिखा. So you see Pogilla Waterfalls right below my feet. So this is the staggering depth of the waterfall. This is the beauty of Pogilla Waterfalls. So round about 180 kilometers from Hyderabad, you will arrive at this beautiful destination. So this is it. I'm just having a lot of fun. This is insanely beautiful. So with this, you can come to a conclusion that insane wanderers can take any insane step to give you the thrilling experiences that you've ever wanted. నేను వెనక్కి పోను. ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఒక వీడియో బయట ఇచ్చేసి వస్తాయి. నువ్వు రావద్దు యూట్యూబ్లో కెమెరా ముందు. అప్పుడప్పుడు. సో ఫైనల్లీ you can see the sunset. So it is time to go back. So finally this is the ultimate destination of our insane wanderers today, Pogilla Waterfalls. This is around 180 kilometers from Hyderabad. This should be one of your mandatory destinations. You can have loads of fun, and basically looking at this staggering depth, I am sure the much required adrenaline would definitely kick in. Do plan your trip. I am going to share the the map location for Pogila Waterfalls as well as Vizag Colony once I upload this video on Insane Wanderers. But promise that you are going to subscribe to my channel and share. Spread the channel, spread the word. After all, mouth publicity has got its own prominence. Guys, so I just don't want to leave this place, but still, I do not have a choice, do I? So finally, it's time to say my bye-byes because night is coming up and you never know what wild animal would be at this point of time. And also there is fear of snakes as well. So I will try to upload one of my videos this weekend, which is tomorrow, the Sunday, 3rd of October. And the next video would be on the next Saturday. So stay tuned, guys. This is Sashank from Insane Wanderers signing off. Bye.